Hello, future crypto millionaires. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to do some quick technical analysis on BIGTIME. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to share my price prediction for 2025. But before we begin, make sure that you join my Telegram group. There is a free link in the description below. It's a no-brainer, guys. Look at this. I gave you this setup, Stellar XLM. This is the setup that I shared with you in my group. A few days later, boom, 453% up. Life-changing money. XRP, I gave you this setup multiple times while the price action was moving inside this triangle. After the breakout, 190%. Bonk, 230% up. Dgen, one of my favorites. I gave you this setup in the group. I stated buy the breakout. 317% up, massive explosive move to the upside. Yesterday, Cyber Monday, would be the last day that I would allow people to join my Telegram group for free. But because I received so many thank you messages, I decided to leave it like that for a little longer. So you have a few more days to join the group for free. Just click the link in the description. It's not going to be free forever, guys, so make sure that you join as soon as possible. We have a whole team providing the most amazing trading setups in crypto every single day. There are thousands and thousands of tokens out there, guys. You can use our group to scan the market every single day, to look at what other successful traders are looking at. This is the altcoin season. You gotta take it seriously. Or you are going to make it happen, or you won't. If you don't make it, it's going to be your fault, guys. And if you do make it, it's going to be because you made it happen. This is the opportunity of a lifetime, guys. We will never see things like that happening again. This is going to be the greatest altcoin season in the history of humanity. And we are here to help you, so take advantage of it. Also, please do me a solid and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click the like button. Let's get straight into it. As you see here on CoinMarketCap, BIGTIME is currently ranked 282. The price is at 20 cents, 21.43% up for the day. And the market cap is sitting at 262 million. So there is a lot of room to grow here. Lots of potential upside. Before we look at the chart on TradingView, let's look at what is BIGTIME real quick. So BIGTIME is a multiplayer action RPG for PC that melds a fast combat system with an open game economy where players have an active role in generating and exchanging game items. Their approach is to make Web3 elements invisible to players so they don't represent an obstacle to entertainment and cater to a broader audience. So this is a gaming project. They have an open game economy. And another keyword that we see here is Web3. This is their website. You can find it at www.bigtime.gg. Free-to-play, player-driven economy. You can watch BIGTIME on Twitch for a chance to gain a pass to the preseason. You can click on this to watch now, and if you gain this pass, you can redeem it here. You can also download the game by clicking on this link and enjoy playing this game on your own time. The graphics look fantastic. It looks really fun, and if you scroll down here, you can find a lot of interesting things. Game features. You can click on each and every one of these and find more info. What is BIGTIME? Humanity is on the brink of extinction. The walls of space-time are collapsing. Different eras of history are colliding together, and forces of darkness are coming through the tears in time. You play as a time traveler who's been summoned to the end of the universe to take part in the greatest adventure in history. That's an amazing story, pretty interesting. I haven't played the game yet, but I really want to, so I might give it a try. You can scroll through their website on your own time. I'm not going to waste any more time here. This is their X account. You can find it at Play BIGTIME. Look at this. Get exclusive access codes from our streamers on Twitch. They have been pretty active on X, posting photos and videos. And if you watch a few videos of this here, you can see how the gameplay looks like. There is a new patch that's coming out. That's going to be the new PvP mode. So people are waiting for this. But what I really wanted to point out here is this number. Look at this. They have over 743,000 followers, guys. Huge community supporting this project. This is the chart on TradingView. We are looking at BIGTIME USDT daily chart on MEXC. If we zoom out, we see that this token was created recently on October of 2023. Initially, the token ran all the way up here to $1, forming this all-time high. People took profits, price action pulled back, and we are currently at range lows. We had this triangle pattern going on. We broke outside of it. Price action has been consolidating for the past few months. And what we see here is this very nice pattern. This is a head and shoulders pattern. Left shoulder, right shoulder, and the head. So the price action broke above this neckline of the head and shoulders pattern. So what we want to see is the price action staying above the neckline. Get a bounce here and a continuation move to the upside. However, this trend line has been acting as resistance in the past. So there is a chance that we get rejected here, another rejection, just like we saw here, here, and here. So if the price action pulls back below the neckline, it's okay, because in this channel, we don't like to buy green candles anyway. We love buying fear. We only buy red candles. So if we see a pullback below the neckline, a higher low, something like this here, would be really bullish and to front run the breakout. We might see an even deeper pullback all the way down here. Nobody knows yet, guys. We don't have a crystal ball. We are not trying to predict the market. We are just reacting. So the way that I would play this is the following. If I had $1,000 to invest in BIGTIME, I would buy $100 here to make sure that I bought the breakout. If the price action breaks below the neckline, I have two options. Or I sell initial investment and wait for the pullback in order to buy the bounce, or I just leave my initial investment in, because you never know, guys. The price action might come back all the way down here and then skyrockets. Okay? You can predict that. So you can just leave your $100 in and lose a small percentage of it. And then when the price action pulls back and forms a higher low or a double bottom idea, you add $200 more. Double down. This is a very nice strategy when we are experiencing a bull run, just like we do these days during this altcoin season. And start scaling in slowly. We put $200 here. If the price action pulls back even below this level, I would put $200 more here. And then after the price action starts moving up and we break above the neckline again, I'll put $100 more again, or $200. Buying the breakout of a pattern is the safest way to do it. But I really like aggressive entries, guys. I really love buying pullbacks and trying to front run the breakout of patterns, because many people today are buying the breakouts. And very often we see fake outs that can cost a lot of money. Also, when you buy pullbacks, you always buy red candles. So you don't buy a token when it's hyped up, when it's pumped already, which is really good in my view. Of course, this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you want, but this is what helps me. Anyway, I have a few targets here for you, and I am going to show you why buying pullbacks, trying to front run the breakout of a pattern, is worth it way more. Look at this. The first target that I have here on the chart is located at 23 cents. A measured move from the current price levels, let's say that you bought a breakout, that's approximately a 19 to 20% move, which is a very nice move, guys, right? 20%. Some people in Wall Street would give anything they have to get a 20% move and a raise afterwards. But look at this. If you buy the bounce of a pullback, of a higher low, let's say, the measured move to the first target at 23 cents can be double of what it was buying the breakout. That's a 58% move, guys. If you see an even deeper pullback, all the way down here, bouncing on this 200 simple moving average, a double bottom idea, that would be an 82-83% move just to the first target at 23 cents. The next level that we have here on the chart is located at 29 cents. The measured move from the current price levels, if you buy the breakout, is a 48% move. Next target that we have here on the chart is located at 37 cents. And the measured move from the current price levels, that's a 91% move, which is an amazing move, guys. Again, I remind you that BIGTIME has a market cap of only 260 million approximately. So it doesn't need a lot of liquidity in order to make moves like that. It doesn't need a lot of liquidity in order to move. It's not as heavy as other large caps or other mid caps that we've been looking at. So I think that BIGTIME can pull a 100% move easily. Of course, if we see a nice pullback forming a higher low, the measured move to the last target of 37 cents, that's a 150% move, guys, approximately. An even deeper pullback, bouncing on this 200 simple moving average, just like we saw here, that would be almost a 200% move, guys. 190%. And this is basically the measured move of this head and shoulders pattern. These are Fibonacci levels of support and resistance that I have here on the chart. But another way that you can find the target of this head and shoulders pattern is you can measure the distance from the neckline to the lowest point of the head, and then you can move this to the breakout. And as you see, approximately, the measured move is all the way up here, 37 cents. I have more targets here for you. If you want to look at them, you can join the Telegram group. If I zoom out, I have a few price predictions here for you. My first price prediction is all the way up here. This is a 10x move from the current price levels. If BIGTIME pulls a 10x move, it's going to have a market cap of 2.67 billion and the price is going to be at $2. This token hasn't experienced another bull run before, guys. And these are the tokens that we want to be in. Nobody knows how this token is going to perform and how high it's going to run during a full-blown altcoin season. Aiming is one of the hottest narratives, and even though it hasn't performed as well as AI or meme coins, people expect it to do really well during this upcoming bull run. It's going to have its own time when gaming tokens are going to experience massive, explosive moves. And BIGTIME is one of these tokens that people are looking at. We are currently at range lows. And this is what we do in this channel, guys. We buy range lows, we sell range highs. I really think that BIGTIME is going to surpass that previous all-time high that we saw back in December of 2023. And a 10x move makes sense here, guys. That's a market cap of only 2.67 billion. Honestly, I think that BIGTIME can surpass that. That's why I have an even more bullish price prediction, which is a 20x move. If BIGTIME pulls a 20x move, it's going to have a market cap of 5.34 billion. And a price of $4. This is the greatest altcoin season in the history of humanity, guys. That's why I'm really bullish. And I'm very optimistic. Let me know in the comments below. What is your price prediction for BIGTIME for 2025? I know many of you believe that BIGTIME can surpass a 20x price target that I have here on the chart. Many of you believe that BIGTIME can pull a 30x move, 40x move. So let me know in the comments below. What is your price prediction? That's all I had for you today, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Trade carefully.